You got JC 62 11-8. We're going in the cab, and her sister's right there. I'm controlling her. Never mind. I can't. Oh,
Hello.
I gotta release the brakes.
Hello.
Hello. They removed the whistle on this. Wait.
No, do not.
Don't worry. This thing doesn't have steam. The firebox. Welcome into the firebox.
Wait. Where's Landon? Put your flashlight in there. Put your flashlight.
Yeah.
See what's in there.
Wait, where's the tender? Wait, where?
This thing doesn't have a tender.
This thing doesn't have a tender lid.
Is it a tank engine?
Yes.
It's an 060. So it doesn't need a tender.
Where does the coal come from?
Right here. And so you show it and put it in the firebox.
Oh, look at that!
How big is it?
Wait, no, I'm gonna record.
So that's the firebox.
We are back, guys, and we are looking in a firebox of a unit. And
An 060 tank.
an 060 tank.
And this is the water pressure.
Don't touch it. You might explode.
This thing doesn't have steam.
Yeah, but we still might explode.
That was
That
loud.
was giant.
Is this a whistle? No. That's just some pipes.
This was something.
Now here's the sister locomotive.
Sadly, we can't go in it.
JC 62 129.
This looks like some British stuff.
It is. It is British.
Yeah. Vaughn's
Either it's British or German due to these buffers.
Buffers.
and the coupler. The coupler looks like one on Tom's tank.
Now here is 46.
Yeah, this is what an actual coupler
This
is.
is an
This is a-
hydroelectric power commission.
American.
Look at that.
This thing is huge compared to my mind.
Let's go into another one. That looks like a very old.
Let's go in again.
Read it.
Yeah?
You want to take your picture in front of us and take it all the time when you come.
I remember when I went.
All the time.